Are you looking for the best projector ceiling mounts? In recent years, the demand for projector ceiling mounts has surged, driven by both home theater enthusiasts and office users seeking clean, professional setups. A reliable ceiling mount enhances viewing experience by offering stability, flexibility, and space-saving benefits. This guide evaluates the top mounts based on adjustability, build quality, compatibility.
Product number 1. PropView Universal Projector Mount, adjustable ceiling or wall mount for office and home mini projectors. The PropView Universal Projector Mount is a versatile solution designed to fit both ceiling and wall installations. Compatible with a wide range of mini projectors, it offers 360 degrees swivel and 15 degrees tilt, ensuring optimal projection angles in any room setup. Constructed from durable aluminum alloy, it provides excellent stability and support for projectors up to 11 pounds. Its quick-release feature makes installation and maintenance hassle-free, while its sleek black finish blends seamlessly into any decor. Ideal for home theaters or office presentations, this mount balances flexibility and strength at a budget-friendly price.
Product number 2. Aokio Projector Wall Mount, 360-degree adjustable projector stand wall mount for cameras. The Aokio projector wall mount stands out for its robust design and full 360-degree rotational capacity, allowing for precise projection adjustments. Although primarily designed as a wall mount, it doubles as a sturdy stand for cameras, enhancing its multifunctional appeal. Its steel construction promises durability and stability, capable of handling various projector sizes and weights. Easy to install with included hardware, it suits both home cinema enthusiasts and professional environments. This mount excels in providing maximum flexibility, without compromising on sturdiness or style.
Product number 3. Vivo Universal Extending Ceiling Projector Mount, Height Adjustable Projection, White. MOUNT-VP02W. The Vivo Universal Extending Ceiling Mount is perfect for users needing adjustable height and extensive compatibility. This mount extends from 8.5 to 14.5 inches, accommodating high ceilings or unique room layouts. Its universal fit works well with most mini and regular projectors, thanks to extending arms that securely hold various mounting hole patterns. The white powder-coated steel finish is not only durable but also aesthetically pleasing for modern setups. Installation is straightforward, and the mount supports tilting and swiveling for fine-tuned projection, ideal for both residential and commercial use.
Product number 4. Wally Projector Mount Ceiling Wall Universal 3-in-1 Bracket with Extension Pole Height Adjustable Holder. The Wally projector mount offers exceptional versatility with its 3-in-1 design, allowing ceiling, wall, or pole installation. Its adjustable extension pole supports projector heights from 8.3 to 15.7 inches, accommodating different room dimensions. The mount features a robust steel construction with a black finish, ensuring long-lasting support for projectors weighing up to 15 pounds. With tilt, swivel, and rotation adjustments, it guarantees an optimal viewing angle. This mount is perfect for users seeking flexible installation options without sacrificing build quality or ease of use.
Product number 5. Vivo Universal Adjustable Ceiling Projector Mount for regular and mini projectors with extending arms. Another reliable offering from Vivo, this ceiling mount is engineered for universal compatibility with both mini and standard projectors. The extending arms fit multiple mounting hole configurations, while the 15-degree tilt and 360-degree swivel offer extensive projection control. Made from sturdy steel with a sleek black finish, it supports projectors up to 22 pounds. Installation is user-friendly with included hardware and a detailed manual. This mount is a solid choice for users who want a dependable, adjustable mounting solution that looks great and performs consistently.